They are making rice pilau, rice with minced meat and mixed vegetables. Cook the minced meat first before mixing it with the rest of the rice. Just cook it for like 5 minutes. I'm going to add some water to the beef so that I can get some beef broth from it to cook the rice pilaf with. Then I'll bring that to a boil, and then I'll strain the meat. Minced meat is ready, and we have the beef broth right there for the rice pilaf. Okay, start with some olive oil, just a little bit. Add the onions. Add some ginger. And saute for just a few seconds. Then add your garlic. Add some rice pilau masala. Mix very well. Now you can add your beef, minced meat, just a little tiny of your broth so that doesn't stick. add the rice. A bay leaf. Salt to season it. And then mix it. That's how it looks like. Once it's mixed, you can add the vegetables now. Just mix it. And now you can add your beef broth. You can add a little bit of water. And then cook until the water dries out. Once it boils, you can simmer it. Put it on low heat. So now we're going to cover it and let it simmer.